Hi, I'm Tricia. Welcome to Trust in Tricia, and welcome to a behind the scenes of building a dream closet. This is how we get you there. Step one, I'll come over for an in-home consultation. I'll take a look at your closet, take measurements, and also take a look at your wardrobe to see what needs to fit in the space and what can be improved. Step two, I order your custom materials specifically cut for your space. As soon as they come in, we get you started. My installer will grab all materials, head over to your house, and clear your closet out. That means any existing fixtures he will remove. Wall repair, painting, lighting, anything that has to be done to completely transform your space. Step three, you have brand new closet fixtures. You now have the bones of organization, but I'm not going to give you just the tools and not show you how to use them. So step four, I head back to take your wardrobe, fill it in a way that makes sense. Create an organizational system that you can actually keep up with and set everything up so that you see everything you have and you get excited to shop your closet and get dressed every day.